compelled to make this video because of something special. Okay, so I've been getting emails from people who contact me through my website, and they say, Sandy, is there any way that you can sell me the printed copies, because for A or B reason I cannot print them out at home. And so I've been thinking about it, and I'm like, okay, let me check to see if my printer can print out good quality copies that I would be happy to purchase. And so after several attempts, I have come across a quality of print that I am extremely happy with. And so I want to say that yes, I can go ahead and offer a printed copies of my digital papers. Now, for the 8 1/4 by 11 copies, I'm yelling here, I'm sorry. They will print out in, let me tell you real quick, a little bit over 7.5. My voice don't know if it's coming or going. By approximately 10. So the printed copies for the 8.25 by 11 are approximately 7.5 by 10. And as you can see, it is of excellent quality. Now these are already going to a client, so I cannot open them for you. And my digital papers that are in the 12 by 12 format, I can print them out at approximately 8. It's a little bit over 8. So about 8 1/4 by 8 1/4. I can print those out at 8 1/4 by 8 1/4. Here's another one. And so, yeah, and the paper, they're going to be printed on 60-pound white cardstock. Okay, and as you can see, vibrant colors and great sizes, perfect for a mini album. Do you really need something bigger than this for a mini album? Not unless you're making a 12 by 12 mini album, I doubt it. And so, yeah, thank you so very much for watching. Oh yeah, and I'm so happy about this launch that I want to do a giveaway. Okay, this is going to be a flash giveaway. I am giving away 2 printed copies. One of them is going to be my Ice Blue Winter Collection, which is a 12 by 12. The printed copies 8 1/4 by 8 1/4. And the second one that I'm giving away, and this is going to one lucky subscriber. This is that 8 1/4 by 11. Anyways, my throat hurts, so go ahead and check the description area for the rules to this flash giveaway. So one person's gonna win one of these and one of these printed and mailed out to your home address. Okay, thank you so very much for watching. Bye.